Hey hello, everyone. Today I am here, for a small unboxing video. It is Rockmark's 2-channel car amplifier, 3500 watts claimed by company. It is Class AB. Let's open it. It has good reputation amongst market of Chinese car amplifiers. In the box, we have unit and the warranty card. No cables included. So what we have looks good. There is maker's names, model number and what's mentioned. On this side, we have terminals for battery input and speakers output. You can place 2 speakers or 1 woofer. On other side, we have more connections and setting tabs. Here we connect audio input which comes from your car tape or LCD screen. And we have dip switches and pots for advanced audio settings. So that's it for this video. Take care.